Okay, so we get a modular home. We need to kept on tripping the breaker, so we need to replace the breaker. That one right there. So we'll flip that one off. Pop it off the bar. Jeez, oh Pete's. That heaved out of the ground. Here's my new breaker. You can see that breaker split. Let me go get some wire strippers. Oh, son of a bitch. Freaking. Don't tell me I got dog. Oh, come on, man. Dog crap on my boot. Walk over on the other side here. Get that stripped out. That's off. Bus bar looks good. Nice and tight. Push on, and we are done. There we go. And the screw is missing for this. And I do not have a screw for it. That's it, done. Changing a breaker. Yeah, that one's split right there. It was tripping every so often, so we're just gonna replace it. I gotta get the dog crap off my boot. Got a hose out here? Nope. Alright, that's it for this one.